Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel. This is a tips and tricks video for anybody that is doing or using Google Chrome. One of the things that most people ignore about Google Chrome is that the URL or the address bar at the top is also a Google search. So you don't need to have Google as the start page, or you don't have to go to Google to do a search. Anything you do in that bar is already a Google search. By default, that URL bar where you can type in any website URL or web address, you can also search for whatever you want. So if you're looking for searching for something, say flowers, it is a Google search. You can just click in the address bar and you can actually just search from there. It's very simple as that. And a lot of people don't know that, but the address bar is a Google search bar. So this is the little tips and tricks video that we have that maybe you didn't know about. If you have, this is so interesting. My Google Mini just started. It's listening. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.